Hi guys, so today we're here in Siang. Na-invite ako ng friend ko to have a dance date here sa GeForce dito sa Siang kasi birthday niya. So guys, wag niyo ako tawaging UM Day at Attorney Day at Lodi Day. Ako ngayon si GeForce Day. Itong may nagpahamak sa amin dito, si Alex. It's her birthday. So, birthday dance off to ng GeForce. GeForce Alex, Bini Sugar, and Sex Bomb Rush. Re-relive namin yung mga year 2000 natin dito na mga GeForcean dyan. Bago pa ang GeForce, meron ng panahon ng maneuvers. And Street Boys, di mo alam yun? Nakakaasar naman to.
Sir Gary, di ko nakakilala.
Pato, ilan taong ka na ba, Lex? Hindi, ikaw na. Maneuver, Street Boys, Universal Motion Dancer, pa yan.
Shout out, Spencer.
Shout out Manila Barrios. Hindi nakaka-relate. Hindi, Wawi. Teacher yourself na kinala niya. Hindi siya makarelate. So, batiin nyo na lang siya ng Happy Birthday, Alex. So, lagay nyo sa comment section, Happy Birthday, Alex. So, naghintay na lang kami ng time namin. Alex, magkano nga to? Magkano dito? Pagka-reservation?
550.
Kasi stockholder siya dito.
550.
550 pag
2 days ahead.
2 days ahead booking. Tapos,
Pag
walk-in 750. Kaya, book nyo lang, lagay nyo Happy Birthday, Alex. So, Camille Prat, sana maging proud ka sa amin. Kahit na iniwanan mo kami at nag-cruise ka. Hi guys, it was a good run with Coach Jerry of GeForce here in Shangri-La. Hi Teacher Jerry. Hi vlog, welcome to my dance. It's been 18 years since I last danced. So it was a good run, guys. Good run. Thank you, GeForce Dance Center, home of the celebrity choreographers. Happy birthday, Alex. Ito yung kaibigan natin na laging nag-aaya ng maging fit. GeForce Max, watch her on ASAP. Kailan Sunday? Sige, i-announce ko na lang, okay? Hindi pa niya alam eh.